Hello everybody, dịrị, and welcome back to my channel. The name of my channel is Igbo Academy and my name is Chioma. Today we are going to do the part 2 of ọgụgụ called dịrị, anyị. That's Igbo reading, to make Igbo reading very easy for us. When we learn how to call some words in Igbo, how to pronounce some words in Igbo, how to spell some words in Igbo, some simple words, it makes it easier for us to know the language. So today, just as we did in our last episode, in the part 1 of ọgụgụ called dịrị, anyị. Today we are going to do another version of it. So the letters in the alphabet, or the symbols and their sounds. So you are going to pronounce them in words in Igbo. You know the spelling of these words and you get used to the words because frequently you see them as you go on in Igbo language. Number 1 is A. Dikana Aba. Aba is a town in Nigeria. Abo is a long basket. Aka is your hand. So now, Dikana, Aba, Abo, Aka. Good. Then now we go over to B. B, Dikana, Bia. Bia means to come. Bute means carry to this place. Bute, carry to this place. Bute, carry to this place. Then bo is to butcher. So B, Dikana, Bia, come. Bute, carry to this place. Bo, butcher. Now we go over to Chi. Chi, Dikana. Che means to think. Che means to think. Chota, find. Chupo, drive away. Che, think. Chota, find. Chupo, drive away. Then we go over to D. D, Dikana. D is husband. Da, for. Ada, daughter. Dikana. Dikana. D is husband. Da is for. And Ada is daughter. The next is E. Dikana. Ego. Ego is money. Eze, king. Ewu, goat. Ego, money. Eze, king. Ewu, goat. F. Dikana. Fe, fly. For, blow with your mouth. For, get missing. Fe, to fly. For, to blow with your mouth. And for, to get missing. Then we go over to G. G as in ga. Ga means to go. Go means to count. Agu means leopard. Ogu means hoe. Ga, go. gụọ, count, agụ, leopard, and ọgụ, hoe. Then we'll go over to GB, gbe, gbuo means kill, gba, to shoot or dance means gba. Use the of onye ga-agba egwu. Good. Gba means to dance. Then agba means your job. Agba means job. So G and B, dịka na gbuo, kill, gba, dance or shoot, agba, job. We go over to G and H. That's k, dịka na ye, means to fry. Ghọta means understand or pluck. Ghọta means understand or pluck. Then aha means war. Aya, some people say aya or aha, the spelling aha means war. Fry, ghọta, pluck or understand. Aha, war. Go over to G and W. G and W, dịka na gwo means to dig. Gwa means to tell. Gwam, when I say gwam, it means tell me. Gwamu, tell me. Gwa means to tell. Gwo means to cure. Gwo means to cure. You know when you say, people say Jesus or warrior, person that cures sickness. So gwo means to cure, and gwe means to crush. Gwe means to crush. You know those days when we used to use grinding stool. Kanje gweosi. Let me go and crush pepper. Let me go and grind pepper. It's called gwe. It means to crush. So we have gwo, dig, gwa, tell, gwo, kill, and gwe, to crush. We go over to I, dịka na ite, pot, ite, pot. Imi, nose, ire, tongue, ite, pot, dịka na ite, pot, ire, tongue, and imi, nose. Then the other I with a dot under. Dịka na ịchọ. Ịchọ means to want. Ịchọ, to want. Ịta, to bite. Ịta, to bite. And ịgba, drum. Ịgba, drum. Then, okay, dịka na ịchọ, to want, ịta, to bite, and ịgba, drum. We go back to J, dịka na je, to go. Ji, yam. Ọjọọ, bad. Aja, sand. Je means go. Ji means yam. Ọjọọ means bad. Aja means sand. Then now we'll go over to K. K. Dikana kele. Kele means to salute. Kele, salute. Kobo, money. Kobo, money. And oku, fire. Kele, to salute. Kobo, money. And oku, fire. Then the next is KP. It is pronounced be, be. KP. Dikana bo. Bo means to call. Obu, hat or cap. Akba, bag. Bo, call. Obu, hat. Akba, bag. The next is kwe, K and W, kwe. Kwe, dikana, kwe. Kwe means to sing. Kwa means sew, to sew clothes. Na kwa kwa. Kwa means sew. And aqua, cloth. Aqua, clothes. And nku, palm. Kwe, kwe, sing. Kwa, to sew. Aqua, clothes. Nku, palm. Next is L. L, dikana, lay, see or look. Lay, see or look. Low, fight. Elu, up. Ala, land. Le, sea. Low, fight. Elu, up. Ala, land. M dikana, me means to do. Metu, touch. Metu, touch. Mata, no. Mata, no. Achọrọ m mata. Achọrọ m mata. I want you to know. So mata means to know. Me, okay. M dikana, me do. Me ihe m gwara gị mee. Do what I asked you to do. Me do. Metu, touch. Metu maka means touch me. Metu maka, metu, touch. And mata, no. The next is N. N, dika, no. No. No means to hear. Ano, anorum, nano. No means hear. Nata means to receive. Nata means to receive. Manela natagodi mega. Manela nata mega. It means she should collect, she should receive that money from me. Then the next, ano means meat. Ano, meat. Unu is a plural of you. Unu, plural of you. So you have N, dikana, no. No. No means to hear. Nata, receive. Anu, meat. Unu, you. Then the next is N with a dot on top. Dikana, more. More means to drink. More, drink. Anu, aun, be, be. Joy. ọṅụ, joy, aṅụrị, happiness, aṅụrị, happiness. Ṅụọ, drink, anụ, anwụ, ṅụ, be, ọṅụ, joy, aṅụrị, happiness. Then the next is nwe. Nwe dịka na nwa. Nwa is child. Ọnwụ, death. Ọnwụ, death. Ọnwa, moon. Ọnwa, moon. Nwe dịka na nwa, child. Ọnwụ, death. Ọnwa, moon. Then the next is N and Y, that is nyi. Nyi dịka na anya, eye. Ọnya, so. Ọnya, so. Enyi, friend. Enyi, friend. Unyi, charcoal. Unyi, charcoal. Nyi dịka na anya, eye. Ọnya, so. Enyi, friend, and unyi, charcoal. Then we go to O. O dịka na obe, cross. Obe, cross. Obi, heart. Obi, heart. Oke, rat. Oke, rat. O dịka na obe, cross. Obi, heart, and okay, rat. Then the next one is O with the dot under. O dịka na ọkụ, fire. Ọkụ, fire. Ọlụ, work. Ọlụ, work. Ọjị, kola. Ọjị, kola. You know that ọjị is very essential in Igbo land. We are going to talk about that later. So, ọ dịka na ọkụ, fire. Ọlụ, work. Ọjị, kola. P dịka na pụọ, to go out. Pụọ, to go out. EP, to carry, to press. EP, ị na-apị phone gị. EP phone. EP means to press. Para means to carry. Para ngwongwo gị. If you're watching Nigerian movies, you'll be hearing them say, para ngwongwo gị pụọ na be m. Carry your load. Para means to carry. Para ngwongwo gị. Carry your load and go out of my house. Para. Then you have ipu. Ipu means to germinate. Ipu means to germinate. So P as in pour, go out. Para, carry. EP, to press. And ipu, to germinate. We now go over to R. R, dịka na rie, eat. Rie, eat. Raw, work. Raw, work. Re, sell. Re, sell. Dịrị afịa. If it's another, dịrị afịa. If it's other places, you say dịrị ahịa. So to go and sell your market. Go and sell your market. Yes, like an Igbo girl, an Igbo person. Go and sell your market. Dịrị your market or dịrị ahịa gị. Go and sell. Then the next one is ria to climb. Riainu means to climb up. Ria, to climb. So arudi kana rie, eat, raw, work. re, sell, and ria, climb. We go back to S. S dịka na sie, cook. Ada na-esi nri, jee sie nri. Chialuka jee sie nri. Chialuka go and cook. Go and cook food. Jee sie nri. The second one, S dịka na si, se means to draw. Se means to draw. Ana m ese mmadụ. I am drawing somebody. Se, just say, ihe asị gị say na class. Go and draw what you are told to draw in the class. So se means to draw. Then se means see. That's why you get asili. Asili, see means to see. So S dịka na sie, cook. Se, draw. See. Then we go back to S and H, which is sh. Dịka na, oh God, Hisha is fish. Is crayfish, sorry. Isha is crayfish. And I thought that was what I was laughing. I saw ashawo is an Igbo word too that I was borrowed. Ashawo means hallowed. So Isha and ashawo. Ashawo is a hallowed and Isha is crayfish in Igbo language. Then now we go back to T. Dịka na to means grow. You understand what? After seeing someone for a long time, you say, hey, Choma, itogokwa o. Means that you've grown o. So to means to grow. Then another to means praise. Another to means praise. Then ato means 3. Ato is 3. You know from counting ọnụọgụgụ in Igbo language. Otu, abo, ato. So ato is 3. So T dịka na to, grow. To again, to praise. Kanje to chukwu, praise. When you see somebody answering to chukwu, it means praise God. And ato, 3. The next is you. Dịka na ube. Ube is pear. Ube, pear. Ute, mat. Ute, mat. Uru, gain. Uru, gain. When someone says, hey, afianka, or ahianka, uru dia, it means there is gain. Uru dia. Or when you say uru adiria, cha, it means there's no gain at all. Uru means gain. Then untu is nil. Untu is nil. Ube, you. Dịka na ube, you all know what ube is. Ube is pear, the avocado pear, or the other pear, the black one, pear. Ute, mat. Uru, gain. And untu, nil. Then we'll go back to you with the dot under. And that dịka na umu is children. Umu is children. Otu is contribution. Otu is contribution. And your mom will call you Adam, why? Because send the ego, or because you tell them ego can't wait to. It means you should send her money for contribution. So Otu is contribution. Then Oba is wealth. Dịka na umu, children. Otu, contribution. Uba, wealth. Next is V. V, dịka na Vam. 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 Vam means swift movement. Vam. On a got vam vam. Vam vam. Before a man vam, up to go vam. It's just like a swift, yes, it's a swift movement. Then mvo. Mvo is comb. So V, dikana, vam, swift movement, mvo, comb. W, dikana, wepu, take away. Wepu, take away. When you say, biko bia wepu iha eba, biko bia wepu iha eba, it means please come and remove this, come and take this away from here. Wepu means to take away. Then iwe is anger. Iwe, anger. Iwe newe, if you listen to Flavour's song, when MC Love died, iwe newe, iwe o, iwe o, iwe. People are angry. When they are angry, you hear iwe. So iwe means anger. So W, dikana, wepu, take away, and iwe, anger. Then we go back to Y. Y, dikana, ye, resemble. Ye, resemble. When someone comes here and say, hey, what a killer, ihikwa negi, means you resemble your mother, or yes, ihikwa negi. Or when they come to newborn, hey, this child resemble his father. So ye means resemble. Then yo means to shift. When you use a sieve, you know the sieve is called inyo. In the part 1, we heard about the sieve. It was pronounced and it's called inyo. So now to yo means to sieve or to shift. It depends on the one you call it. Yo, to shift. Then ya is he or she or it. Ya obunigo yenu. Ya means it. Then so ya with Y, dikana ye, resemble. Your to shift, and ya is he, she or it. Ya. Then Z, dikana zopota means to save. Zopota, save. Zopotam, biko bia zopotam n'aka ndị ori. Come and save me from the hands of thieves. Zopotam, biko zopotam, please help me. Please save me. Then zopota, then zo means buy. Zo means buy. Ozu means buy. Zu or zo. Anyone you want. So Z, dikana zo, buy or zo, buy. Then Z, dikana zopota means save. Okay. With these words to add to the first one that you've learned from our email called Dịrị Anyị Mfe, Igbo reading made easy in the part 1. When you've mastered these two, you've mastered many of the words. So if someone is saying something in Igbo by now, you should be hearing it at least to an extent. You should be putting 1 or 2 together to make sure that you understand what the person is saying. And with time, you'll be a pro. Thank you very much for staying tuned to this episode. Please like if you like it too. Like. So go through it. Go to my videos, the other videos. This is episode like 13. There's 1, 2, 3. By the time you follow them 1, 2, 3 till you get to this 13, you must have seen changes in your reading and speaking of Igbo language and learning of Igbo language. So please like, subscribe, Tell your friends that want to learn about our Igbo language about it, and do have a nice day. Kemesia, Kodibatia.